देवा तेरे दर पे हम आए हैं। स्वरूप तू देवा तेरे दर पे हम आए हैं। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा
Chef Evan, who was as honest as he could be.
Yes, he was as honest as he could be. He gave his customers exactly what they paid for, not more and not less.
In the morning, he would get everything: eggs, milk, flour and chocolates.
He took great care of his customers. So, who is the best baker in the town? Chef Avin.
Melt the chocolate, cut the bread, ice the cookies, white and red.
Melt the chocolate, cut the bread, ice the cookies, white and red.
Checking time. Everything looks perfect. Are we ready for the day?
Yes, sir.
Let the customers come in.
It was a normal day in Chef Evan's bakery.
Avin's bakery was very famous for saffron laced cookies.
People would come from far away to buy saffron laced cookies.
They were made up of saffron, which gave them amazing flavor.
The saffron laced cookies taste delicious.
And they tasted
Delicious, delicious, delicious. So, who is the best baker in the town? Chef Avin.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride.
shine. And I know that you carry the world on your back. But look at you tonight. The sky, something in your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in the party, I could do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss your daddy body. Touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Don't you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss your daddy body. Look what we found, karma reached out into our hearts and pulled us to our feet now. You know the truth is, we could disappear anywhere as long as I got you there. When the sun dies, till the day shines. When I'm with you, there's not enough time. You are my spring flower, watching you bloom out. We are surrounded, but I can only see the lights. Your face, your eyes, exploding like fireworks in the sky. Touching your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in the party, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss your daddy body. Touching on your body while you're morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Chumma, 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 kiss your daddy body. Your glow, your glow, you cover and fracture the light. Look at you tonight. Savate hanere ghatte ungla chupa ke tu dhanak phirdi ki rab ne donara ut neelam jade cham 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 ke sitare wari touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in the body, I can do this all week. We dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Cham 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 ke sitare wari touching on your body while you're pushing on me. Put you in the body, I can do this all week. We dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Cham 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 ke sitare wari pushing on me.
Catch the thief! How dare you steal from me? You have to pay for me.
But I was hungry. Please let me go.
You thought you can escape? Throw her in the kitchen. Make her wash all the dishes.
Please let me go.
He is mean and he is rude. Can't he give a little food to the poor and the needy?
Oh no, now he is greedy.
No, I am honest. Calling me greedy. Don't you dare. I am a baker and a businessman. Now, get back to your work.
Did you see how he treated that poor girl? Can't he be little generous?
He is honest, but not generous.
This is not fair. Someone should teach him a lesson.
Don't worry, if today he is flying high, but one day he will understand that everything is not just about money.
But everything is about money.
Yes, it's always about money in a rich man's world.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champion, take the field now. You're the fighters, they can still come. In the streets, our hands are lifted. As we lose our inhibition, celebration. End of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be strong and back. So wave your flag, now wave your flag.
was going to lose everything. Soon, God will bring him on his knees. It was early morning of Mount Carmel day. Evan was just getting ready for his business when the door of his shop flew open. In walked the lady.
Delicious. I have come for a dozen of your saffron laced cookies.
Yes, madam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12. Here you go.
But I have asked for a dozen. You have given me only 12.
Madam, everyone knows that a dozen is 12.
But I say that a dozen is 13. Give me one more.
Madam, my customers get exactly what they pay for. Not more, not less.
Then you may keep your cookies. Chef Oven, however honest you may be, your hand is small and your fist is tight. Fall again, mount again, and learn how to count again.
Fall again, mount again, learn how to count again.
With these words, she left the bakery. From that day, everything went wrong in Chef Oven's bakery.
Oh no! The bread rose too high and the pies are too sour.
The cakes have crumbled and the cookies have burned. What is happening to everything?
Sir, we have a situation. The cupcakes are chewy and the cookies are hard.
Nothing is good in Oven's bakery. Let's go to others' bakery.
His customers soon noticed the difference. All his customers were gone. Even the last few slipped away.
Not even a single customer came to our bakery.
We better leave the job, surely he can't pay us anymore.
Not a single soul. What has happened to me? A year has passed and I have lost everything. Where did I go wrong?
He was a broken man, a man who had lost all hopes. He was failing in everything he did. He lost his name, fame, and success. As he fell on his knees, he heard a voice of hope in his heart.
I watch in hope of the Lord. I breathe for God, my Savior. My God will hear me. I will wait for Him in silence.
That night, Oven had a dream. In his dream, he saw angels helping those in need. One angel called out him,
Oven, come here and see. Look, all these people in need. Give yourself to them and give from your heart.
reach out with love and kindness.
Be a ray
Of hope for others.
Oven, you must remember to give yourself to others. The pain you felt in suffering has helped you to understand the pain of others. God has heard your prayer. Now you will experience a great miracle. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
He hurried into the kitchen and mixed his gingerbread dough and rolled it out. He molded the shape of saffron laced cookies and baked them. He iced them in red and white. He made first and he was happy.
The cookies are as fine as I made before.
Someone is at the door.
It's the same lady. Finally, a second chance to do what is right.
I have come for a dozen of saffron laced cookies.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome back to the bakery. I will pack it for you. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13.
I see that you have learned to count well. Chef Abin, your heart is as big and hands are open. You had fallen and you will rise again, as you have learned the true meaning of giving with a generous heart.
I always get my customers exactly what they pay for, not more and not less. But why not? Why not give the needy? Today in my shop, a dozen means 13. Yes, 13.
The story teaches us that while honesty is valuable, but true fulfillment comes from combining honesty with generosity, compassion, and hope. Avin was kind, but he was not honest, which led to his downfall. When he lost everything, he turned towards God in hope.
His renewed faith and willingness to change brought his transformation. By opening his heart to others and giving selflessly, he regained all he had lost. This story reminds us that hope keeps us going in dark times, and when it is combined with love and generosity, it has the power to restore, heal, and bring the lasting joy back.